In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem gift card in Poshmark Wallet. This process is straightforward, and by the end of the video, you'll feel confident about managing your gift card in the app. Let's get started. First, open the Poshmark app and sign into your account. On your screen, you should see the homepage featuring various listings. It's important to ensure you are logged into the correct account, especially if you have multiple accounts or devices. This initial step is crucial as it sets the foundation for the rest of the process. If you're not signed in, you won't be able to access your wallet or redeem your gift card. Take a moment to enter your credentials, and once you're logged in, you're ready to move forward. Next, go to the Account tab. You can find this tab typically located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tapping on it will take you to a new page with various account options. This is where you manage your settings, payment methods, and more. Accessing the Account tab is essential, as it serves as your gateway to redeeming your gift card. You will feel a sense of progress as you navigate closer to redeeming your gift card. Now, tap Gift Cards. This option should be visible on the Account page. Once you select it, you'll be directed to a section specifically for managing gift cards. This step is important because it allows you to see your current gift card balance and any gift cards associated with your account. If you have received gift cards as gifts or promotions, this is where they will be accessible. It's reassuring to know that you are in the right place to start the redemption process. From there, tap Redeem Gift Card. After tapping this option, you'll be prompted to enter your gift card information. This is a critical moment as it leads you to the next step of entering your card details. Make sure you have your gift card handy as you will need it now. Once you're here, you are just a few steps away from successfully redeeming your gift card. Enter the gift card's 16-digit number and 4-digit PIN. You will see fields on your screen specifically designated for these numbers. Take care to enter them accurately, as any mistakes could lead to errors in the redemption process. This step is vital because it verifies the validity of your gift card. A successful entry will ensure that the funds are added to your wallet. Once you have entered the information, double-check it to confirm accuracy, which saves you time and frustration later. Finally, tap Redeem. After hitting this button, the balance will be added to your Poshmark wallet and will appear on the My Balance page. This is the moment you've been waiting for, as you will see the confirmation of your balance increase. It's important to note that once you redeem a gift card, the full amount is added to your account balance and cannot be transferred to another account. This means your funds are secure within your Poshmark account, which is a great reassurance as you move forward with your shopping experience. A few things to keep in mind. You can redeem up to 5 gift cards on one account at the same time. This allows for flexibility, especially during special promotions or holidays. Additionally, your gift card balance is used before Posh Credits when making purchases. This is important because it maximizes the use of your gift card balance during transactions. Lastly, Poshmark gift cards do not expire and do not have inactivity fees. This means you can take your time to shop and use your balance at your convenience. Now that you know how to redeem a gift card in Poshmark Wallet, you can enjoy your shopping experience with ease and confidence. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping.